Welcome to this tutorial on Cryon 6D on how to use the Clash functionality in our project management system. First, navigate to the document page to view your documents. On the left side of the screen, you'll see the folder options. Select the appropriate folder to display the files within. Choose the RVT file and the XML file you want to compare for clashes. With both files selected, click the Add Clash button at the top of the screen. A pop-up screen will appear. Click Update to proceed. A confirmation message will appear indicating the document has been successfully updated for clash detection. Next, go to the sidebar and select the Views option. In the Views section, you'll find multiple options. Select the Clash option. This will open the View page displaying the previously added files. Click on the files to be redirected to the Autodesk screen. Here, you will see the drawing with Clash Data pop-up screen on the right corner. Select each feature to view the Clash data displayed within the drawing view. And that's how you use the Clash functionality to detect and view clashes in your project files. Stay tuned for more guides on effectively using our project management system. Thank you for watching.